The 2010 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, air conditioning, four-wheel ABS, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.